Good afternoon, Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Vice President Inday, the palace has said your time as DepEd Secretary was a complete failure. This stems from your statement that the country remains at a paper and pencil in comparison to other educational system of other countries which are modernized. What is your response to that, ma'am?
Oh, thank you, Alvin and Tourism, for this opportunity to speak, and explain my side. Unang-una, masabi ko yon na we are truly behind sa education system natin compared to more developed countries around the world. And that is true. That is an observation. That is a fact of the Philippines. And I have all the right to say kung ano yung katotohanan ng bansa natin. That is covered by the freedom of speech and expression natin. So, dapat siguro walang magalit. Kasi yun naman yung katotohanan ng bansa natin.